Hey, what's going on, everybody? So this video is not an informative video. It's just more of an excitement video. I've had Porter cable tools for like 10 to 15 years, and some of them started to die. So I thought it was time to transition over to something different, something maybe a little bit better. So I decided to go with Milwaukee tools. So this is just kind of an initial, I guess you could call it an unboxing of some tools. I got a set from my wife for Christmas. And I had a deal going. You bought a Hammerdrill and an impact set, and you got a free tool. So I got the angle grinder. So I'm really excited about this. I'll show you guys. So you guys can see this is just a really nice grinder. It's a $200 grinder. Got this tool for free. Handle on the side. It's got a nice paddle switch on it. It's got like 5 different positions for the guard. I don't currently have a cordless battery powered grinder, so I'm really excited about this. Very excited. Obviously all compatible with those M18 batteries. And then we have the Hammerdrill and the impact set. So this is what it comes with. You got 2 batteries, the big ones, variable speed, impact driver, got the tri-lights on there with this generation. Really great impact. I like the variable speed. Porter cable impact I had did not have variable speed. And here is the Hammerdrill. Really excited to use these things and put them to work. You can just tell they're really well built, durable. I'm no contractor, but contractors use these tools. You can just tell they're built to work. So here's the battery charger. I just am really excited. Wanted to just show you guys that brief unboxing or whatever you want to call it. So excited to put them to work. Maybe after I use them for a number of years, I'll give you guys my thoughts on them. But everybody I talk to says Milwaukee tools are among the very best. So I can't wait to use them. Thanks for watching.